My name is Niran Marshall Pereira. I'm a second class honors LLB graduate from University of London and second class honors business commerce graduate from University of Sri Jayewardenepura. By profession, I'm an attorney at law of the Supreme Court of Sri Lanka. But based on my business commerce knowledge, my teaching interests are in accounting and finance. So I thought of developing series of courses which extends from the very basics to larger concepts such as managerial and cost accounting. So this is the course number 1. This course is titled under Basic Accounting and Bookkeeping for Beginners and Startups. Highlight of this course is after defining accounting and explaining the process of accounting and elements of accounting, we will pick 10 financial transactions. Then I will show you how to record them in accounting equation and in ledger accounts. Then we will balance those ledger accounts to prepare a trial balance. From trial balance we will develop an income statement and statement of financial position. Then we will develop a simple and alternative format of income statement and statement of financial position to understand it better. Then for the practical benefit, we will analyze and interpret them to make better and informed financial decisions. Then we will see how to improve our financial position and periodical income through profit maximization process. After all, there will be a self-assessment where there is more than 15 transactions and you will get the sample answers, so you can test your answers with mine. So this course has no specific target audience. Anybody who is interested in learning basic accounting principles and in the meantime improve his periodical income and financial position is warmly welcome to enroll. Thank you.